Hi everybody. Today in Microsoft Word, we're going to learn how to copy and paste, insert a table, make a calendar, and then save our document to the desktop. Okay, first things first, to pull up Microsoft Word, you've got to bring your mouse over to this region in the search bar and type in Word. Okay, and then this is Word right here. Okay, we're going to go to blank document for now, but later we're going to use a calendar. Okay, so first, blank document. Okay. Now we're going to try copy and paste, okay? To copy and paste first, you need some text. So we can use our example sentence, the quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. Okay? So I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so you can see it better. Okay? So why do we use copy and paste? We use copy and paste if there's something that you want to type over and over and over again really quickly. All you do is select this text, okay? And then on your keyboard, you're gonna hold down the control key and then type C. So hold this, keep holding it, type C, and then let your fingers up, okay? So I'm gonna do that right now. Control C. You can't see it on my screen, but I just did it. Now I'm gonna click over here. I'm gonna hit enter. Now to paste it, I'm gonna hit Control V. Okay? So Control V is just going to basically type that same thing over and over. So I just did it twice, now a third time, now a fourth time. So that's copy and paste. Again, you use copy and paste if you want to repeat text or images. I'll show you with an image. If I go into Google, just regular old Google, and I'm looking for a flower, I go into images. Okay, if I copy an image, I right click, copy image, and now I want to paste it. I right click, I go to paste with this little clipboard with a mountain. Okay, if I select my picture and hit Control C, if I click over here and hit Control V, it'll paste the picture again. Okay, so if this is for things that you want to um, copy or that you want to type or copy over and over in a document. All right, let's now talk about inserting a table. Tables are nice things to have in a document if you're trying to organize information visually for people. So let's say I want to organize my family members and their birthdays. Okay, so family. Oh, sorry, I should probably tell you what I just did. Let's see. All right, you go to Insert, you go to Table, and now you need to decide, do I want my table to be uh, 10 columns and one row, 10 columns and two rows, 10 columns and three rows, or do I just want two columns and eight rows? That's, I think, what I want right now. Okay, so if I put in my family members' names in the left column and their birthdays on the right, this will help me keep track. So my family member's name is Robert, and his birthday is January 6th. Um, Bertha's birthday is February 5th. Okay. Peter's birthday is February 18th. Okay. So you just have to click inside the cells. Now, what if I made a mistake and I forgot to put someone between Robert and Bertha? You just select the two cells and then you right click and you go to insert, rows below, and now I have an extra row here. Well, what if this is too many rows and I need to delete some? You just select them, right click, hit delete cells, shift cells left, and it deletes them. Okay? All right. Let's say I'm pretty happy with my document, I'm done, and I want to save it in case I want to go back into it later and print it or share it with someone. I need to go to File, Save As, and then I go to Browse. Then on this side, I scroll up and I save it to my desktop. You just click once and you name it. Let's say I want to name it Copy and Paste. That's a fine title for this. And then you hit Save. Now, if I close this document, now that I've saved it, I'll be able to find it on the desktop, and it should be called copy and paste like it says up here. So let's close it and see if we can find it. Oh, here it is, copy and paste. So if I open it, it should be the same as it was when I closed it. And it is. Okay, excellent. So we're done with copy and paste. We're done with inserting a table. We saved a document. Now I want to show you how to make a calendar really quickly. So here, back in the search bar, you're going to type Word. Okay, and a calendar should be one of these options. If it's not, click on More Templates, and it should be somewhere here. Okay, these are templates are quick ways to make documents that are commonly used. I actually like this calendar the best. It's simple. Okay, it's just the name of the month and the year. So I'm going to click on this calendar, and then I'm going to click on Create. Now, you need to make sure that you have the right month, okay? Do I want to make a calendar for March 2020? Yes, because that's the current month. So you hit OK. And then it says to show different dates, go to the calendar tab and choose select new dates. Okay. Okay, so this is my calendar. And I just recently learned how to make this template, and I really like it. If you want to add things on here, like Saturday, I need to go to the bakery. Thursday the 19th, I need to have a meeting with my boss, okay? You just simply click in the cell and type it, okay? And you can change all of this. You can change this. You can change all kinds of things. All right. So now, let's say I want to save it. I want to be able to go back into this document and change it later. I go to File, Save As, Browse, scroll up here to Desktop, and I'm going to name this March 2020 because that's the month and that's the year. And I hit Save. And again, if I close this, it should show up on my desktop, which it did. It's right here. I open it and it should look the same. And it does. Okay. All right. Well, thanks for